welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be part of the family. Be sure to hit the post notification bell so you can be notified when we upload or do anything on our channel. Be sure to comment down below and let me know how you guys enjoyed this video. Makeover! And what else you guys would like to see. Right? Right? He's a little crabby today because he got his big boy shots. So we had 5 shots today. And I'm surprised that he's still walking because, let me tell you, my legs will be done. Come here. He always trying to get the camera. But as you guys know, his birthday just passed in November on the 26th. We were up at my mom's house and so she got him a lot of really cool gifts. And one of those gifts was his new bedroom set. So as you guys saw, his birthday party was Mickey themed. I absolutely love the Mickey theme on babies, especially him. So some of his clothes is Mickey, and he has some stuffed animals that's Mickey. His birthday party was Mickey. And so I wanted his new bedroom set to be Mickey. I had no idea she was going to get him this for his first birthday, so I was super surprised and super shocked, and I absolutely love it. It goes with the color scheme I have in his room. So his original room theme is supposed to be like clouds, and it's a gray color, but he came early and we didn't really get too much into the whole decorating his nursery room. He definitely has some decorations and he definitely has a nursery. He definitely has his own room. But as far as the theme goes, it's kind of all over the place. So let's get started with this video. So today, basically you guys are going to see me completely redo his room, reorganize, and put all this stuff up. So to start this video off, I'm just going to show you guys exactly what came with the set, and then you guys can see his whole room be completely redone. So the first thing I want to show you guys is this sign. So my wife actually ordered this. Actually, speaking of her, so she couldn't be in today's video today because she's still at work and Chance is a little bit sick and can't go to daycare for possibly the next like 2 days. So I was off of work right after his appointment, and that's why I'm home and able to film this video today. So if we're still filming and she comes home, then awesome, she'll definitely say hi, but you guys might not see her in this video today because she's still working. So but she custom ordered this for his room, and this was the first thing that we got that was Mickey for his room. So I'm super excited to put this up because this is like the first official piece. It definitely means a lot to me because she got it and it's customized for him. As you can see, it says Chance and it's all Mickey. So that's one of the things that's going to be going up in his room. We have a baby blanket that is Mickey. It looks super soft, so I'm so excited for him to use all this stuff and start sleeping in his crib. Huh? You can start sleeping in your crib? No. The next thing that we have is a Mickey Mouse hamper, a little laundry hamper. It's really cool that this came with that because now he'll have 2, which is super convenient. And the next thing is a Mickey Mouse lamp. This is gonna look so, ow. Okay, I don't even know what I was saying. So the next thing is a Mickey Mouse light, a little lamp, and this is going to be so cute. I don't know if you guys can see that too well, but that's what it looks like. It's black and then it has little lights. And the next thing we have is just a little pillow for his crib. So this will go in his crib with his comforter set, and of course when he's sleeping in the crib I'll take it out. But when I have his room all cleaned and his crib all made, this pillow will look super cute inside his crib with blankets. And next, oh, I didn't even know it came with this. How cute. So this is a baby play mat. So this is gonna, oh, this is so cute. So it's just like a little mat that he can play on and sit on. The last thing that we have is, of course, his bedding set. This has all the pieces for his crib, so I'm super excited to put this up because His lap sheets actually are dirty and I need to wash them, so it's perfect timing that I can just put his new stuff on and just take his old stuff and wash it and put it away. And I don't know if you guys can see the whole set right there. That's basically like the whole room. So I'm going to set the camera up in a different spot so you guys can see the whole room, and then we're going to start putting his new room together. So see you guys in a second. So I'm going to give you guys a super quick tour of what the room looks like right now. Don't mind the little scattered things, the little scattered toys and all that stuff. I mean, it's a baby's room, what do you expect? But the point is for you guys to see like a little bit of the theme and the decor in the room right now, and then what it's going to look like after. So this is his room. So I'm going to get his comforter set first, and let's see how this turns out. So I'm about to do that right now. Alright guys, so next I'm going to open up his hamper and figure out where I'm going to put it. Oh, yeah, look how tiny this is. It's a little baby hamper. Legit baby hamper. I'm just gonna set this to the side for now, and once I put everything together, you guys will just see what it looks like, because I don't know where I'm gonna put some of this stuff. So the next thing I'm gonna open is his little play mat, so I can see how big it is. Oh, that's pretty good size. I think this would look really cute in the middle of his room. And last is his lamp. Screw these together. And yeah, let's move on to the next thing. So the next, last, and final thing is his name sign, and I'm still unsure about where I want to put this at. So give me a few minutes. I'm going to clean up his room. I'm going to hang up his sign, and then you guys can see the outcome of his Mickey themed room. So, guys, look who's home! I told you guys she was gonna come in the video. So I'm still cleaning up his room. Like I told you guys are gonna be able to see the end result. And she saved the day, so you guys are gonna be able to see his lamp put together because somebody found the screws. Somebody is stupid enough to make it look. Y'all, they put the screws in the stupid part where you put the batteries. Like, I would have never seen those. All you had to do was take it. If you shook it, you would have heard it. No, because it was taped down. I literally went back and forth. I was like, these aren't batteries. Well, maybe let's just look and see. Well, hopefully we have batteries so you guys can see it lit up. Yeah, we have batteries. Yeah. As you can tell, I do all house work in this house. So I'm going to finish up reorganizing his room for you guys. So, alright guys, I finished cleaning up his room and organizing his room. So I'm about to reveal to you guys what it looks like. Before I show you guys the reveal, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Like it up, like it up, like it up. Be sure to subscribe. Comment down below how you guys like his new room, how you guys like this video, and let's get into this reveal. hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys like his new room. Definitely gonna get some more decorations and some more stuff for his room. But this is it. This is his Mickey themed room. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you, Mom. And we'll see you guys in the next video.